Joy International Gathering dito sa Ho Chi Minh City sa Vietnam. All about agriculture, all about fisheries, and other related industries with agriculture. And this is a very opportune time for interested leaders to look into the matter. Kay dako ang ma-contribute na ini na to at least additional knowledge on the input sa ato agriculture. Okay. This is an international exposition dito sa Ho Chi Minh City, and we just received invitation from its focal person sa Vietnam, and we are still thinking on how to go about it, whether we go or not. Okay, we have to consider in ato national emergency in ato fuel, but with the rate it is going, the rates of fuel are going down. Most likely we might consider. It would depend on the decision of the majority, particularly under the leadership of Vice Governor Jin Guganti, who has signified that he will seriously look into the matter. There are about 5 or 6. Most of them are members of the Committee on Agriculture. Administration na tanan na program na. Well, you know, this is a chance in a lifetime na leaders of a province or city would have the chance or opportunity to see for themselves personally how Vietnam developed itself, its agricultural industry, to become competitive in the world market. As we know, Vietnam today has surpassed the Philippines in terms of agriculture, where before kita nag-provide sa technical knowledge nila, kaya ilang mga estudyante diri may eskwela sa ato UP, Los Baños Agricultural School. Pero karon all of our imports sa may tungod sa bugas at tugikan sa Vietnam. Vietnam is more than self-sufficient. They are now exporting while we are importing. So it matters most on how they did or how they are doing about the business of agriculture and how in improving the lives of their farmers. What assistance did they give to the farmers, and what technical knowledge did they also give? That matters to us because the same can be replicated in the Philippines, particularly in Surigao del Norte.